This book covers everything related to Microsoft Power Apps, from its evolution to its fundamentals to advanced topics with real-world examples, over 15 chapters. This book has been written in a way that anyone who has worked with Power Apps or who intends to begin working with Power Apps can benefit from it. You will enter the Power Apps world by first learning about the evolution of Power Apps in Chapter 1. In this chapter, you will learn how Microsoft released its first CRM product to the market and subsequently expanded its features by releasing new versions. And finally, turned an entry-level CRM product into a low-code and no-code application called Power Apps, empowering everyone to create business apps, not just developers, but even non-developers, citizen developers. After learning about the evolution of Power Apps, you will learn about the Microsoft Power Platform, a low-code and no-code development platform, and its various components in Chapter 2. These components play a key role in Power Apps development, as they enable both developers and citizen developers to extend Power Apps functionality and create complete business solutions. Additionally, you will learn Microsoft Dataverse, which dynamically stores Power Apps data and metadata in a scalable and secure environment to meet ever-changing business demands. You will go deeper into the Power Apps ocean in Chapter 3 by learning how it empowers application development and makes it easier for organizations to rapidly design and deploy enterprise-grade business applications by using Excel-like formula expressions and PowerPoint-like drag-and-drop controls. In this chapter, you will also learn about Power Apps' various types and how they vary from one another, as well as its licensing options, building blocks that connect you to various Power Apps features and components, system requirements for launching the Power Apps on your desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile, and in browsers, and different options for configuring your Power Apps environment so you can begin creating apps. After you have a basic understanding of Power Apps and its building blocks, you must be aware of the many database choices that Power Apps can use to communicate with data. In Chapter 4, you will learn the fundamentals of data sources and how different types of Power Apps use different types of data sources. After listening to this chapter, you will understand how Power Apps can interact with the data stored in either Microsoft-provided data sources, such as Dataverse, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Excel, or non-Microsoft-provided data sources, such as Salesforce, DocuSign, and Adobe. In this chapter, you will also learn about a variety of connectors that enable you to establish communication between Power Apps and data sources without writing code by serving as an API wrapper. Once you know the different types of Power Apps and which database they use to store the data, you must know which type of Power Apps is best suited to meet your business needs.